Number 1. 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Chopper, $8,000, Columbus, Indiana. This 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Chopper is a true old-school rigid build that delivers everything enthusiasts expect from a classic custom Harley. Finished in blue with a strong presence, it features a recently rebuilt top end, which is a major plus for long-term reliability. The engine fires up easily, runs strong, and provides that unmistakable shovelhead sound and feel that defines this era of motorcycles. Built as a rider rather than a showpiece, this bike embraces its raw character, including minor oil seepage that is typical for shovelheads. With a clean Indiana title and matching VIN, it offers peace of mind along with authenticity. For riders looking for a dependable, attention-grabbing chopper with true vintage attitude, this is a solid and honest machine ready for the road. Number 2. 1971 Honda CB 750 Chopper, $4,850, Jefferson City, Missouri. This 1971 Honda CB 750 Chopper is a vintage custom with roots going back to the late 1970s California chopper scene. Built using the iconic CB 750 inline-4 engine, it combines smooth performance with a distinctive old-school look. The bright yellow finish gives it strong visual appeal, while the overall build reflects the creativity and style of early custom motorcycle culture. The CB 750 platform is well known for its durability and ease of maintenance, making it a practical choice even in custom form. This bike runs great and has been fitted with a new battery, making it ready to ride. It offers a unique blend of Japanese engineering and classic chopper styling, ideal for riders who want something different with history behind it. Number 3. 2013 Harley-Davidson Custom Chopper, $6,500, Caryville, Tennessee. This 2013 Harley-Davidson Custom Chopper is a well-executed modern build that captures the essence of traditional chopper design while benefiting from newer components. Powered by a 1,200 cubic centimeters Evolution engine and paired with a 5-speed transmission, it delivers reliable performance with plenty of torque. The rigid LED sled frame and extended 14-over Springer front end give it a long, aggressive stance that stands out immediately. The bike is loaded with custom details, a Frisco-style tank with pinstriping, a king and queen seat, upswept exhaust, and classic lighting. Despite its show-quality appearance, it is built to be ridden and is described as running and riding great. With a clean title and no reported issues, it offers a turnkey custom experience with both style and performance. Number 4. 1995 Suzuki Savage 650 Chopper, $3,500, Hampstead, Maryland. This 1995 Suzuki Savage 650 has been transformed into a unique custom chopper that combines lightweight handling with classic styling cues. With only 18,000 original miles, the bike serves as a reliable base for a custom build that includes ape hanger handlebars, a white banana seat with bar, and a suicide shifter setup. The custom green paint and chrome accents give it a bold and eye-catching look. The Savage engine is known for its simplicity and dependability, making this bike approachable for both newer and experienced riders. It runs strong and has had no weak points addressed, which adds confidence for everyday use. This chopper stands out as a fun, rideable custom that blends personality, practicality, and vintage-inspired design. Number 5. 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 Chopper, $3,000, Kalamazoo, Michigan. This 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 Chopper is a project-style custom with many important upgrades already completed. It features a Super E carburetor, new exhaust components, a 21-inch front wheel, and fresh tires, giving it a strong foundation for a finished build. The bike runs great, though it has not been started or ridden in about a year, so some light recommissioning may be needed. Included with the sale are various extra parts, original components, additional fenders, and accessories, providing flexibility for customization. While it still needs some final touches to be fully complete, it represents an affordable opportunity to finish a classic Harley chopper exactly to your own taste. Number 6. 1955 BSA Custom Chopper, $2,700, Fort Wayne, Indiana. This 1955 BSA Custom Chopper is a unique vintage build that blends classic British styling with a more modern Yamaha 650 engine swap. The combination offers a mix of old-school aesthetics and improved reliability compared to original setups, making it an interesting platform for customization. Its stripped-down chopper look gives it a raw and authentic presence that fits right into the traditional custom scene. The bike is currently a project and will need a few key items to get back on the road: an accelerator cable, a front brake cable, and a battery. With those basics addressed, it has the potential to become a solid and rideable custom. For builders looking for an affordable entry point with character and flexibility, this BSA-based chopper offers a great foundation. Number 7. 2005 Custom Softail Chopper, SNS powered, $8,000, Paw Paw, Michigan. This 2005 Custom Softail Chopper, built by Rolling Cycles, delivers strong performance and standout style with a powerful SNS engine at its core. Although listed under Harley-Davidson, it is a full custom build that captures the look and feel of a high-end chopper. Finished in black, it has a clean and aggressive appearance that draws attention wherever it goes. Described as a head-turner and one of the seller's best-looking bikes, it combines custom styling with solid performance. The Softail-style frame offers a smoother ride compared to rigid setups, making it more comfortable for longer cruising. For buyers looking for a bold custom with strong presence and proven components, this is a compelling option. Number 8. 2003 Big Dog Motorcycles Chopper, $7,500, Danville, Indiana. This 2003 Big Dog chopper is a well-known factory custom that blends reliability with classic chopper styling. With around 16,000 miles, it has been ridden and maintained and is described as running and riding very well. Big Dog motorcycles are respected for their build quality and big V-twin performance, making them a popular choice in the custom market. The bike features a Softail-style frame, offering improved comfort while still maintaining a low and aggressive stance. Finished in black, it has a clean look that highlights its custom lines. With strong performance and a reputation for turning heads, this chopper is a ready-to-ride option for anyone wanting a dependable custom machine. Number 9. 1995 Harley-Davidson FXD Chopper, $5,500, Marion, South Carolina. This 1995 Harley-Davidson FXD chopper is a customized Dyna platform featuring a wide glide front-end conversion and extended forks for a more aggressive stance. The bike includes ape hanger handlebars, a custom seat, and upgraded performance components, intake, carburetor, and ignition system, enhancing both its look and rideability. It comes with original parts included in the sale, offering flexibility for future changes or restoration. Designed to be ridden, it is described as ready to go and provides a balance between classic Harley performance and personalized chopper styling. This makes it a versatile option for riders who want both function and custom appeal. Number 10. 1994 Honda Shadow VT600 Chopper, $2,000, Huntsville, Arkansas. This 1994 Honda Shadow VT600 Chopper is a budget-friendly custom that delivers a fun and approachable riding experience. Powered by a 600 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, it is known for reliability and ease of use, making it a great choice for newer riders or those looking for a lightweight chopper. The red finish adds to its visual appeal, while the custom setup gives it a distinct personality. The bike runs and rides well, with the added character of a custom exhaust that can produce flames, adding to its unique appeal. With a clean title and a low price point, it offers an accessible entry into the chopper world for riders who want something different without a large investment. Number 11. 1978 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 Chopper, for $1,000, Belton, South Carolina. This 1978 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 Chopper is a solid project build, featuring a rebuilt engine, giving it a strong mechanical starting point for completion. Finished in blue, it carries that classic Sportster-based chopper look that remains popular among builders and riders alike. With new tires already included, some of the essential upgrades have been taken care of. While it still needs a bit of work to be fully road-ready, the hard part, the engine, has already been addressed. This makes it an appealing option for someone looking to finish a classic Harley chopper without starting from scratch. Number 12. 1983 Yamaha XS 650 Chopper, $2,000, Fairmont, West Virginia. This 1983 Yamaha XS650 chopper is a budget-friendly custom that offers both character and rideability. Known for its reliability and strong aftermarket support, the XS650 platform is a favorite among chopper builders. This example runs, rides, and stops, making it a usable bike right away while still leaving room for further customization. It features several custom touches, a well-done seat kit, Springer seat, sporty tank, and mini ape handlebars. The carbs have been recently cleaned and rejetted, and it comes with newer tires and a fresh throttle cable. While the wiring setup could use some cleanup, it presents a great opportunity for someone who wants a fun, affordable chopper with personality. Number 13. 2007 Harley-Davidson Custom Chopper, Twin Cam 88, $6,000, Philadelphia, Mississippi. This 2007 Harley-Davidson Custom Chopper is powered by a Twin Cam 88 engine paired with a 6-speed Baker transmission, offering strong performance and highway capability. The engine has been ported and polished, with diamond-cut fins adding both visual appeal and performance enhancements. With only around 3,000 miles put on it by the current owner, it remains a relatively low-use custom build. The bike was running strong before being stored, and currently needs a starter and battery, which are considered straightforward fixes. Once addressed, it has the potential to be a very solid and powerful chopper. Number 14. Honda CB750 Chopper, Paco Frame, $3,500, Waynesville, North Carolina. This Honda CB750 chopper is built on a Paco plunger-style frame, giving it a distinctive look and unique ride feel compared to traditional rigid or softail setups. Powered by the proven CB750 inline-4 engine, it delivers strong and smooth performance, making it both fun and capable on the road. The bike is described as running strong and comes with many new parts already installed. This is not positioned as a beginner bike, suggesting it has a more aggressive or demanding riding style typical of custom choppers. With a clean title in hand and no trades considered, it stands as a serious custom build ready for an experienced rider. Number 15. 1984 Harley-Davidson Softail Chopper, $7,500, Roach, Missouri. Thanks for watching AZ Timeless Motorcycles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more chopper and classic motorcycle listings across the United States.